She knows it. She knows it. We don't even have to.
Knows it.
Who are we imitating? Emma. Who are we imitating?
Home.
No, who does that sound like? Is that, who does?
Me.
Exactly.
No, Daddy.
Daddy.
Hey Emma, who snores the most? Who snores the most?
Come on, you know who's.
Mommy.
No, I don't. I snore.